Okay, Darjeeling MP Raju Bista supporting the proposal by Shukanta Majumdar, saying that there is logic in the recommendation. Bista went on to say that the rule is not good there. We are getting less money anyway, and therefore he in fact supports the proposal that has been put forth by the Union Minister Shukanta Majumdar, asking the Prime Minister to make northwestern Bengal a part of the northeastern states.
Statement that Shukanto Majumdar has given yesterday, asking for Northern Bengal. Would you support it? Why do you think this has come at this particular stage?
देखिए ये बात बार बार उठती रही है और इस बात में दम भी और लॉजिक भी है। कलकत्ता से जो सरकार चलती है वो नॉर्थ बंगाल को दूरजे दर्जा का सिटीजन की तरह हमको ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है। हम कल्चरली बहुत रिच है, रिसोर्स में बहुत रिच है, बहुत काफ़ी बड़ा रिच रेवेन्यू पश्चिम बंगाल को देते हैं। और आपको ये जान करके आश्चर्य होगा, पश्चिम बंगाल का बजट सालाना बजट 3.78 लाख करोड़ है और बदले में नॉर्थ बंगाल डेवलपमेंट के लिए जहाँ 3 करोड़ की आबादी रहती है उनको 860 करोड़ रुपए मिलता है, जो 0.002% के आसपास होता है। और आज आप देखिए हमारे चाय बागान बंद हो रहे हैं, हमारे सिंकोना बागान बंद हो चुके हैं और केंद्र सरकार से हमारे नॉर्थ बंगाल के लिए जब एम्स की घोषणा होती है आप उठा करके कलकत्ता ले जाते हो। अगर आप हमको ठगोगे, छलोगे तो मुझे लगता है उनकी बात में दम है और केंद्र सरकार को इसके बारे में चिंतन जरूर करना है।
All right, let me go straight across now to Aman, who got that reaction. Aman, indeed, it's quite an ambitious ask and a significant political move with the proposal to bifurcate Bengal into two parts. But the proposal is not without precedent, and you have Mr. Bista, who's throwing his weight behind the proposal as well.
Yes, absolutely. Raju Bista is throwing his weight behind Shukanto Majumdar's proposal, which has been given to the Prime Minister by Shukanto Majumdar, who is the state BJP president as well. So this is something that the BJP seems to be a new card. There has been a demand from the BJP ranks earlier also of this, but now it is official. In fact, Anand Maharaj, the BJP Rajya Sabha MP from Cooch Behar, I just had a word with him in Parliament, and he is also backing the particular demand of Shukanto Majumdar. He's saying that this is very much is needed. And if we listen to Raju Bista also speaking, he's saying that all the development in Bengal is focused on Calcutta, it's on Kolkata, not on North Bengal, which is an ignored area. And that is why a separate state of North Bengal is the need of the hour. Obviously, the TMC, Avantika, has very vociferously attacked the BJP over this, saying that you are trying to divide Bengal. And I had spoken to TMC MP, full-time MP Prasanna, who said that Bengal is Bengal. Don't try to divide Bengal. And this is just because BJP has suffered reverses in Bengal in this particular Lok Sabha elections. They are trying to bring around a new narrative on this, and this will never succeed. And Mamata Banerjee will never allow this to happen.
Oh, absolutely. In fact, they've been livid and they're calling it a conspiracy from the word go. Aman, thank you so much for joining us and getting us that big reaction coming in from